Hi, Josh Carr here. Today I'd like to talk a little bit about data tables. For some reason people find data tables really challenging, so I'm going to put together a series of videos on it. Let me do a simple two-variable data table just to get the conversation going. So we have some simple financial stuff here. We're borrowing a certain amount of money, $100,000, 0.5% per month, 360 months, around $600 a month. And I'm going to put in a spread of information. Let's say we vary my interest rate at 5 plus 0.05, 05, 05. Play with the percentages there a bit just to make them pretty. I could put in an amortization schedule, say 360, and I'll subtract off, I'll do this in like 30-month bumps, so that's around 2.5 years. So there you go, from year 30 to year 20, right? I'll say that's an amort schedule, so that's how fast we're amortizing some debt. And this up here is an interest rate. And for those of you who are totally new to something like this, we just basically have two inputs, interest rate, amortization schedule. To do a data table, we make a link to something we care about, say the payment. I highlight the entire thing. I go to data, what if analysis, data table, or for guys like me who've been around for a while, just Alt-D for data, T for table. That's the old keyboard shortcut from earlier versions of Excel. We have stuff along the top and stuff along the side. The stuff along the top links to the interest rate. The stuff along the side links to the amortization schedule. I press OK. And there it is. You might need to format it to make it pretty. But as you can see, if I vary the interest rate from low to high and the amortization schedule from long to short, the payment goes from $536 to $775. And that is the basics of how you do, how you basically do this, how you do a data table. I'll do additional videos to give greater detail, but this is a simple two-variable data table. Great, thanks.